Hey guys, in this video we're going to be planting our tulips bulbs into our raised garden bed. So first we dig our trench, and with the raised beds, some of this is peat moss. We use some garden soil, actually from the ground, and then we added some more garden soil from the store to it and compost. So this soil compared to what was in our garden is 100 times easier to dig through. In the garden it was a lot easier where the dahlia roots were actually in the ground, but here it's just it's raised beds, so it's pretty much always going to be nice and soft and easy to dig up. So with it being easy to dig up, that's why I absolutely love planting my tulip bulbs back into the raised bed, and any bulbs pretty much. So our next step is to get our tulip bulbs, so you can see here, and we're gonna just go ahead and lay them in side by side. So side by side, they can be as very, very close together because we're just going to dig them up next year anyways. So it's not like they're going to be reproducing and spreading. Oh, this is pretty cool. So this is a tulip bulb that I didn't get picked. Can you see that? There we are. So it has lots of roots around it. And it does seem like it's in good shape. So that's just gonna get planted in as well. Tulips are placed in, as you can see, they're pretty much right next to each other. And then we'll dig these up next spring after they're done blooming. The next step is to transfer our pile of soil back on top of our tulips. And we want to do this, you want to add just like a little layer before you put all the rest of it on. That way then it's not disturbing where the tulips are. My other advice is whenever you're planting, have some loose soil down here to actually go and put the tulip in. That way then they can have something to smush into, and then they stay in place when you put the soil on top. Now we're going to start from here and go on down and finish planting our tulips. Half of our tulips over in our actual garden over there. I don't have as much tulips as I did last year. Last year they went to about to here. This year they're just gonna stop it there, and that's fine. It's good. I'm happy that I'm splitting it into different areas just because it's kind of fun to see how doing like one thing different with a plant can teach you like so much about how to garden and maybe how you want to do it too. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel A Farm in Bloom. We'll see you later.